Hello, all. Welcome back to Chill with Sabi. Hope you are doing great. We have an exciting giveaway on our channel now. Don't miss this great chance. Today, we have here 47 Chevy Fleetline Hot Wheels treasure hunt. This isn't just a toy car, it's a piece of automotive history, a miniature marvel that captures the spirit of the open road. So, before we discuss the detail, let's unbox it. Let's get back into the detail. It is dressed in a striking black and white police livery. This car proudly displays the number 68, the word police, and the Hot Wheels petrol badge on its door. And if you look closely, you'll find a treasure hunt symbol nestled within the badge. The 47 Chevy Fleetline is a tribute to the sleek and aerodynamic design that were the hallmark of the automobiles produced by the Chevrolet in the late 40s and 50s. It's a nod to the time when the cars were more than just a means of transport, they were a statement. The real-life 1947 Chevrolet Fleetline is a classic that radiates the timeless elegance. And this model was brought to the life by the talented designer Phil Railman. This classic car has left an unforgettable imprint on automotive history, perfectly encapsulating the spirit of its time. The two-door Fleetline Aero sedan, with its racy fastback styling, stands out as a testament to this. Whether you are charmed by its vintage appeal or value its historical significance, the 1947 Fleetline continues to be a fascinating choice for classic car enthusiasts and collectors. As a review, this 47 Fleetline is not just a car, it's a timeless piece of history, a perfect addition to any Hot Wheels collection. It's a small car with a big story, a story that continues to captivate and inspire. So here's to the 47 Chevy Fleetline, a true classic that keeps the past alive in the present. For more exciting stories and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.